In this video, I'm going to show you how to Google reverse image search on Android. So open up Google Chrome and go to a website that you're wanting to reverse image search on. Find the picture in question that you want to use and press and hold down on that picture for a few seconds. Tap on the option towards the bottom where it says search image with Google Lens. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the screen where it says didn't find what you were looking for, retry with Google Images, and then tap on try it. You have now Google reverse image searched on your Android phone, and as you can see, this particular picture is bringing up a number of different websites that this particular picture was used on. So I hope you found that video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.